Claire Naidu and Co Lawyers and Mediators is a boutique family law firm providing family law advice, but it also provides mediation services as well. My history is I grew up in a small country town in rural New South Wales, and I then came to Canberra to study at the Australian National University, and I undertook a commerce and law degree. I think the commerce has been very helpful because I specialised in accounting and management, and that has helped me not only with my clients but also in managing my own business as well. My business started quite recently. I've been a lawyer for over 10 years, but given changes in my family circumstances and also wanting to meet the needs of my clients and the addition to my family, I created this business so that I could meet those changing needs. I'm the principal lawyer. I have people that work for me, but I'm the primary lawyer that you would be dealing with as part of the firm. And I think this is important because with many other law firms you can often be passed between different solicitors, but with me you can be assured that the information will be kept and there won't be any information lost. The motivation for starting the business was twofold. One was because of the changing needs of my family and also my clients, but I had a burning desire from even during my high school days of starting my own business. I undertook business studies and I continued those studies through university as well. And I thought it was important to gain experience and my qualifications as a lawyer. And prior to me starting my own business, I undertook further studies, which I think is really important. I undertook a Masters of Law and specialised in alternative dispute resolution. I've also gained specialist accreditation as a family lawyer as well. And with that and my experience in dealing with clients and with the courts and the Canberra community, I thought it was the right time to step out on my own and start my own business. The services provided by the firm are quite varied. It can be to assist families trying to create their own families. So it could be assisting someone through surrogacy arrangements. It could be through assisting a step-parent to formally adopt their stepchild. And it can be also at the other end of the spectrum where parties are separating and needing to sort out their arrangements in relation to their children. Also to assist parties who want to sort out their property arrangements, and that might be people that are entering into a marriage and like to commence a prenuptial agreement, or what we call a binding financial agreement. And also, once again, at the other end, if parties do wish to go their own ways, then we can assist them to reach a property settlement. We try and do that outside of court. We have a focus on alternative dispute resolution, but in some cases there are no other options but to go to court, and we can provide legal representation at court. The other facet of our business is mediation. We provide mediation not only in family law services, but also other areas as well, such as contractual disputes, neighbourhood disputes, employment, employers-employees issues as well. Claire Naidu and Co is a boutique firm, and we provide specialist family law advice and mediation services. The uniqueness that we can provide is that I'm available not just in the usual 9 to 5 fashion. I'm available to my clients, and I provide that flexibility. It's not uncommon to receive an email from me really early in the morning or late at night. And I also provide my mobile number so that my clients can contact me directly at different times of the day, just not in the usual fashion. Another factor is that I provide services not only to clients in Canberra but to all over Australia, and the internet assists with that, and the ability to work remotely and wirelessly. There's not one typical client that we have, but there are some examples of clients that we might have is a parent who's looking to obtain custody or have access to their child. It could be a carer who wants to be assessed as a kinship carer. It could be a couple going through separation, wanting to divide up their assets. It could be a couple who are looking for some sort of mediation, or neighbours who are having an issue over a fence issue who require mediation services. It could also be a couple who are having problems falling pregnant and want to look at going down the surrogacy route. I think probably the greatest challenge that I had was actually making a decision to start the business. There's many pros and cons that you consider when starting a business, but I was very lucky that I had the support of my family, and I still do. Some of the big challenges, I think, are startup capital, and some advice that I would give to anyone who are looking to start their own business is to try and start up on a lean basis. That means to try and minimise those initial outgoing expenses. So I think working remotely is a great way to do that. For any women who are considering starting their own business, it's really important to have a support network around them. That's not only your family, but also other women that are in business. There's some great organisations in Canberra, including the Canberra Women in Business, and I would recommend joining those sorts of organisations, and if you can seek out a mentor to assist you, and certainly from my point of view, I'm certainly willing to be a sounding board if anyone is considering entering to their own business and would like to have a discussion, and I'm more than happy to talk with them about that. I would like my firm to continue to grow. I don't see it as a stagnant thing, and I look forward to employing more staff as part of my business, becoming more involved in the Canberra community. And of course there's many challenges ahead, but I look forward to meeting those challenges. If you'd like to contact Claire Naidu & Co, you may visit our website, which is clairenaidu.com.au. That has information about our services and how to contact us. You may use email or telephone us.